Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? This Q&A session. I'm gonna be doing this every now and then to update you guys on what's going on in the market. Have chit chat, interact with you guys. I want to connect with my followers, my subscribers is important to me. I connect with you guys. So we're gonna be having this Q&A session time and again. It's going to be different from the normal live videos and so on and so forth. So yeah, if you're joining me, you're welcome. If you have any question, you can pose a question. It's a Q&A session. Let's discuss crypto. Let's get to know each other. I'm just here looking at the chart of Bitcoin. I can see lots of liquidity around. Let me scroll down to see. Yeah, I can see a lot of liquidity around $109,000. A lot of liquidity there. So I'm just looking at that to like, okay, what are they planning to do next? What is their game plan? This is today is Thursday. We are going to was Friday. There's not gonna be any activities on Friday as usual. So I don't know how things are gonna be like in days to come. Let me just look at the economic calendar. Let's see what I got today for this calendar. Um, Today, Wednesday. No, today is Thursday. Thursday, September 4th. So let's see what we have here. Unemployment claims is happening like now. Um, let's see. Okay, we have former member William speaks. So one of the former member are speaking to is speaking today at around 6 o'clock. So there's a lot to see. Let's see if say we have CPI today or tomorrow. Oh, yeah. So if you are joining me right now, hi Sunlight. If you have any question regarding cryptocurrency, feel free to post your question. I can see those of you like the stream at least. This is just a Q&A session. I'm gonna be doing this often, like just interact with you guys, chat with you guys. Let's see what's going on in the market. You know, yeah, usually we're gonna do this Thursday, Fridays, weekends. Just come here, have a chat. Just have different type of conversation regarding what's going on in the market, and I get to interact with you. Not always going on the chart, showing this, showing that. We can not just have a sincere conversation as to what is going on in the market, and so on. So you are welcome. Share the stream, guys. Share the stream to your friends, your loved ones, your groups, your WhatsApp groups, to your Facebook groups, your YouTube groups, or whatever groups you have. Just keep sharing the stuff. Let's see what we got here, guys. We are in an interesting period in cryptocurrency. We saw how Bitcoin gave us that green light. Ethereum now is taking us to another level. We saw SRP, the major coins out there in the space, are giving us some flavor. So I love what I'm seeing. And I want to be here with you guys throughout this journey. Crypto investing, trading is not easy. It's not that like a roller coaster like some people are gonna put it like, oh, you can come to cryptocurrency and become a millionaire overnight. Now it entails hard work, and I'm doing the hard work, and I want to share everything with you guys. So as long as you are with me. So if you have any question regarding your coin, the altcoin market, everything crypto, let's discuss. Let's have a conversation about it. Let's just chat. I don't know if say I can bring in guests here. I'm not sure if I can bring in guests here. Maybe you two don't have um that, but I think I can go live with a guest, but not to bring a guest. Yeah. So yeah, if you have any question, guys, feel free to post your question. Let's see how it goes. How it goes. They even have the option of a green screen. Oh, they even have an option of a green screen. I can put it on green screen. Yeah. So, guys, if you have any question to ask, I'm all ears. I'm listening to you guys. Yeah. Mm. I'm a little bit skeptical about the current price of Bitcoin. Um, Bitcoin is actually struggling to move to the upside, but there are lots of stumbling blocks along the way. There are investors who keep placing orders behind below price, so it's making the market makers to want to push price more to the downside. I can see these guys want to buy more Bitcoin at cheaper prices. I can see 20 million worth of Bitcoin at around $109,000. So, what is going on, guys? These guys, they want to buy Bitcoin at a cheaper rate. It's going to cause so many people who want paper hands to dump their coins to them. You can see, yeah, I mean, this is but obvious that they're going to push price. Like, I think they're going to do that. They're going to push price to around $109,400. Yeah, I can see lots of liquidity there, below price. Oh, Toka Mio. Hi, how are you doing, my brother, my sister? I don't know who you are. You're welcome to the live. Share the live. And the Adina, my baby girl. How are you doing? Yeah, guys, you can share the live with your friends, your loved ones. If you have any question related to crypto, I'm gonna respond to you. But as I mentioned, I'm looking at my coin chart now, and I'm seeing these guys, they want to push price downward, they want to push price to the downside. I'm seeing lots of orders being placed, like 10 minutes ago 20 million what Bitcoin was placed below price. So I mean, guys, yeah, I don't know, they want to push price like Bitcoin. Usually, let me tell you guys something. Bitcoin has, like, I've been studying Bitcoin for a while now, and I've come to realize that before they make any major move to the upside, they always want to trick, or like, yeah, like we call it stop hunt. If they want to take it to the downs to the upside, they're gonna trick traders to feel to believe that they are pushing price downward. Then they're gonna reverse it quick. So they call it, they are trapping traders, right? But if say you understand this move, like towards, I think, as from let me say, in like in 4 minutes to come from now, we are going to see some massive movement in the market. So the movement always starts around 2 p.m. my time. I'm in Sweden, so 2 p.m. my time, like, the next 4 minutes is going to be 2 p.m. my time. So I don't know what time it is where you are, but the next 4 minutes is going to be um 2 p.m. my time. Yeah. So I'm just looking at these guys. And also, I'm seeing that we have liquidity at around $112,000 and also around $110,000 on 13. So, I can see there's a lot of liquidity here for today at around 109,000. That's why I think they are gonna push price there. Yeah, like we're gonna see a quick like massive move up and down for price. Oh boy, oh boy. By the way, if you are watching and you want to trade cryptocurrency, you can trade this on Bitfinex. Yeah, I trade on Bitfinex. You want to trade with me, you can trade on Bitfinex. Join my free Telegram community. The link is from this video. And yeah, tell me you want to start trading with me on Bitfinex, and I'm gonna send you the link. You know, so we're gonna start with Bitfinex and start trading with me. Actually, I'm in a trade. I'm watching the trade right now. It's Euro USDT. So basically, price is sitting above the 50-day moving average on the 50 minutes time frame. I'm in the trade. My thesis is this: if price stays above the 50-day moving average, then I'm gonna stay in the trade. But if I see price close below the 50-day moving average for Euro USDT, I'm going to close the trade, right? So that's the trade I'm in. I'm also in another trade. I'm also in a Bitcoin trade. I'm shorting Bitcoin right down to 109,000 from where we are. I'm going to short Bitcoin right down to $109,000, right? Yeah, I think we're gonna push they're gonna push price downward more than upward. So that's why I'm shorting Bitcoin currently. I have a tight stop loss, very tight stop loss, for Bitcoin. So yeah. By the way, check out my latest video. Oh yeah, most latest video. Yeah. Check out my latest video on Ethereum. If you are invested in Ethereum or altcoin, that video is gonna good for you. Okay. If you're joining now and you have any question regarding cryptocurrency, crypto trading, I'm all ears. Let's have a conversation. Let's chat. I'm gonna be doing this Q&A session with you guys. So let's have a conversation about what goes on in the crypto space. You know. Oh boy, I'm just sitting here, in- you know, trying to trade, looking at the market, looking at possibilities to either short or long the market. And if you have watched my channel for a long time now, I want to take longs when I say price above the 50-day moving average on any time frame. Like now, I'm trading Euro USDT, and price is sitting above the 50-day moving average on the 50 minutes time frame. So I'm looking for to take that trades. But if I see any candle closed below it, no, not like I'm looking to take the trade. I'm already in the trade. But if I see price close below and the 50-day moving average, any candle like the first 50-minute candle that closed below on that time frame and closing the trade, I'm shutting down the trade. You know, if you are looking for any coin to buy, like check out my X platform. I shared one coin there. if say you're looking for something to buy. I also share this with my VIP community, you know, and you can become a member to my VIP community. Just register um with YouTube, become a member and support the platform. And let me know where you're watching from. If you're joining me, let me know where you're watching from. What kind of cryptos are you holding? Are you in profit or have you been in profit so far? What kind of challenges you're facing? Let's communicate. Let's hang out with each other. Yeah, I love that. You know. So if you have some questions, I'm all ears. Okay, now I'm seeing a candle closing, attempting to close um, below the 50 moving average on the 50 minutes time frame for Aerodrome. So I'm getting ready to close my Aerodrome trade if this is the case. Like the stream if you're watching, or like the stream, share the stream. Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up, thumbs up. If you're watching, guys, you have any question, it's a Q&A session, not the regular session. So if you have any question regarding crypto, you know, I'm all ears. I'm listening. POM is looking bullish today. POM is looking bullish. If you are joining right now, it's the Q&A session. I'm all ears listening. We have started getting some momentum in the market. Okay, Bitcoin is giving us some flavor. Oh, I don't speak. What language is that? I don't speak that language. Hi, 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 hi. What kind of language is that? Midway. What is your question? I can see you say midway. What's your question, man? What's your question? If you are joining and you have any question, I'm listening. This is just a Q&A session to interact with you guys. Again, if you have any question, I'm listening. I'm all ears. If you're watching, like the stream. If you have any question, post your question, and I'm gonna respond to you accordingly. Again, this is just a live session, Q&A session with you guys. If you're watching and have any question, regarding cryptocurrency trading, investing, meme coins, altcoins, or whatever thing you want to ask, or you just want to communicate with me, just want to have like a chit chat with me, it's good and fine. We can chat with each other, we can communicate. I just want us to interact, you know. Yeah, that's just all about this stream. You can check out my previous videos. It's gonna help you a lot to position yourself as to what we might be expecting in the market days to come. Or many people are calling for bad September month, but I'm thinking differently because I'm looking at the data. I'm more concerned on what Bitcoin is gonna do on like in different time frames, like mostly the weekly and the daily time frames. I'm more concerned about that. I don't want to listen to the noise out there on X, on my many platforms. I want to stick to what the chart is saying, what the chart is communicating to me. You know, I did an ad video. I don't know if you've seen my video. My most recent uploads video is Ethereum. I like there are lots of obstacles along the way for Ethereum. Currently, Ethereum has made a huge move to the upside, and now um, I'm looking at the current price action for Ethereum on the daily time frame, like to mean okay, if Ethereum is gonna continue to the upside, then maybe we can see Ethereum go right up to like 4,500 again dollars, right? But I don't think Ethereum is gonna go and make the next all-time high without first of all kissing the 50-day moving average. We need to see Ethereum kiss the 50 moving average before the next move. Like if I look on the chart closely, I will see that price is in a limbo, like playing around. I think price is doing so because price want all these moving averages to catch up with each other, right? So because of that, I think any move for Ethereum upward will be short-lived. It will mean okay, they'll take it up just to bring it back down, right? Until we see a massive bounce with high volume on on the 50-day moving average. But talking about price prediction, yeah, if we see this bad boy bounce heavily on the 50-day moving average, like on the daily time frame from the 50-day moving average on the daily time frame, then I think we can go straight away to about $7,000 for Ethereum. Right, that's what I'm looking at. All right, yeah. Marianne Sandstrom said hi. Yeah, big memes are gonna bounce again, guys. Let me tell you something. Don't listen to what the meme naysayer are saying out there. No, all the big memes on Solana are gonna bounce again. The question now is when will that be? If you look at Solana right now, we are seeing some sort of momentum with Solana. The price Solana is attempting to break the previous high. Like this is the current resistance now with Solana, and Solana is struggling to break that resistance. Right? Maybe it break that resistance, we are going to target the previous all-time high, and then do you know what will happen? All that gains the whales investors must have made are going to be recycled back to those meme coins. They're going to go back to those meme coins. Michi, I know Michi. I bought Michi some time ago, and yeah, it's a good meme coin. I bought Michi. So if you have those top meme coins on Solana, just be keeping an eye on it. Don't like. I'm not going to recommend you to DCA those meme coins because you can never know when is the right time to DCA. Except guys, you understand TA. If you know how to trade, you know how to rate key levels on the higher time frame precisely. Let's see where we are with Michi. Yeah, the weekly time frame price is holding strong, a key support zone on the weekly time frame. And I think from what I'm seeing currently, if any massive movement happens with Bitcoin, all right, Michi is gonna fly. Now, if you want to start buying Michi again, let me tell you where you should start buying Michi again. You see Michi above the 5 day and the 13-day EMA on the frame, then start looking for a buy. Now, what will happen is in the time frame, we're going to see a massive run to the 50-day moving average. Now, look at the current support level. You can see price have hit the support level currently 3 times. Now, this usually signifies bullish signal, right? Now, if say we hit the 50-day moving average again and we're not able to break it, wait to see what price will do when price retrace back. I think price is going to make higher lows from that point and then whoop with a massive volume to the upside. So for now, just be patient, wait to see how price is going to react. And see currently the current daily candle is below the 5 day and the 13-day EMA. I cannot buy any coin when I see at least on the daily time frame that the price is below the 5 day and the 13-day EMA. You know. Pulse chain, I'm not investing in Pulse chain. But I can take a look at Pulse chain if you want to. But if you guys want me to keep looking at your coins, at least like the stream and I can see you guys watching. You're not liking the stream. I don't know why. Not liking the stream. Michi boy, the Michi boy. If you're watching, don't like the stream, guys. Like the stream. Yeah. Boy, Bitcoin is giving me some. Yeah, the market now is preparing to make the next move. In a couple of in about 40 minutes time, we're gonna see. Um, yeah, the market is gonna give us the direction where it wanna go to. Let me look at Bitcoin. Let's see where Bitcoin is currently at on the 15 minutes time frame. I wanna see what price is doing. I want to see what the UK session have done. From there, help me see. So, basically, Asia took us right down to $110,000 because we moved right up to about $112,600 during the UK session during the US session. I want to come back to Michi. Let me just like okay, Bitcoin hasn't been able to close above the 50-day moving average on the 50 minutes time frame, so far during the UK session. All right. We saw this massive dump, from the beginning of the Asia to right down to the beginning of UK. Now I don't know what US is gonna do, but what I'm seeing currently is that um there's not a lot of trend, yeah. Price might just go and attempt during the beginning of the ACI session, price might just go and attempt let's say around 111,000 dollars. That's daily open. Yeah, can go there, you know. So let me see. You want target for Michi, but I cannot really give you target. Like that's the tricky part of it. To give you a target is gonna be tricky because it's difficult to predict these meme coins, but it's easy to catch. It's easy to know that they're gonna pump, but it's difficult to catch exact prediction. But I'm just gonna give you what I think about, like, if I look at the chart of Michi currently on the daily time frame. Let's see. Okay, if we're gonna see a massive breakout for Michi, let me see the most likely target. Like let me also say the most reasonable target. It's gonna be around 0.2347. That's going to be the most reasonable target for Michi. And that's going to be around how many percent gains? Let's see. So we are looking at about 887%, about 800x. Yeah. 800x. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, about 800 to, yeah, almost 10x. Yeah, Michigan 10x. Mhm. From where we are, Michigan actually 10x. It's possible. But again, this will mean that we are in the odd season. You understand what I'm trying to say? It should mean that we are in the off season. Like the top meme coins are flying to the moon. They're giving us that flavor. So uh, I mean, but again, let me just give the best case. The best case, like, uh, let me say the worst gains, because this is gonna be nothing. It will be the same as someone who invests in Ethereum, right? If you're gonna get about 2x, right? It's gonna be the same like someone who bought Ethereum. But Michi can 2x from now. Like that's guaranteed. I can say this, that Michi can 2x from now. Like from where price is. If we see any breakout, then Michi will 2x. But if say price is gonna respect key indicators, then we are gonna see Michi 10x at least. Yeah. No, not everything will fly. That's that's what I think most people are thinking. Not everything will fly. Okay, the crypto market now is different from back then and so on. There's a lot right now that I think most people don't understand. It's all about liquidity. It's all about adoption. It's all about um, which chain you are and how big your coin is, how sustainable your project is, how community wise your project is. So coins that doesn't have a real community, like particularly meme coins, they wouldn't do well. Like look at the so-called real coins, like the so-called coins with utilities, right? Where are they right now? Like Polkadot, um, also near protocol. These are good coins with real utilities. Well, they are struggling, right? They are nowhere to compare. Most of these top meme coins like bread coin, more coin. By the way, I'm not holding Michi. I'm not holding no meme coin currently. I'm gonna start buying meme coin, but not now. You know, I'm just focusing on the top 100 coins for now. To see like when money is gonna start flowing to those meme coins. I'm gonna start going back there to look for big trades. But there's a lot I want to see, as I mentioned to you earlier. I want to see Michi at least, or any coin, or any altcoin I'm buying. I want to see it stay above the 5 day and the 13-day EMA on the daily time frame. Then I want to see the 5 day EMA cross the 13-day EMA. That's my signal. That's my bullish signal for that altcoin. Until price flip the other way around, then I become bearish again. So I look at the weekly setup, daily setup before I strike. Bah! Oh boy. Oops. If you are watching and you have any question, this is a Q&A session. Any question? If you're watching, any question, I'm listening. All ears. Do you have any question? I'm listening. Or yes to you?
explaining how you can do the clash and stuff.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
So if you need, you can come by.
Yeah, when I'm coming back, I want to get my people. This is a Q&A session, so if you are watching and you have any question, ask. I'm gonna respond to you accordingly. I'm driving now to pick up my wife and kids.